Good morning, Director Sir, Director Ma'am, Administrative Sir, Principal Sir, and all my teachers and all my friends. My name is Anushka Thakur, student of class 7. Are representing spoken English class. Represent what are words? Words can be just a letter. Example, I is that contain multiply syllables. Example, is get about through comfortable two or more words. Example for some commonly words. She, her, like, person and sentence. You say something. What did you say? Tell me now.
Good morning everyone, my name is Radhika Mali and my topic is vowel. So vowels are letters that represent the speech sound where air leaves the mouth without any blockage by the tongue, lips and throat. The vowels in alphabet are A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y. For example, leaf, cat, dog, bird and etc. For now, example of sentence, Nikita likes red color, Vikram run fast, please leave bad, that is correct answer, and etc. Thank you.
My topic is noun. A noun is a word that represented a present thing, concept or place. Example, present, boy, girl, teacher, place, home, city, Lucknow, thing. Computer, apple, glass.
Good morning everyone. My name is Safwan Khan. And my topic is adjective. An adjective is a word that modification or describe a noun or pronoun. For example, Ramesh is intelligent, Ram is smart than brother, and he is honest.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yuvraj Singh Kushwaha. My topic is adverb. An adverb is word that modify a word, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. For example, whenever anyone helps you, say thank you to him. Always work hard to.
Good morning all. My name is Hansraj Singh Titolia. My topic is determinant. A word that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used. Example, that, those, and the. Possessive determinants such as my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Articles such as a, an, and
Good
the.
morning, my name is Anand Khatri and my topic is article. Articles are used before noun to fix or define noun some by or the other. Articles are two types, indefined article, defined article. Example, in the sentence I save a boy. The sun in the east. I have.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sam Patel and my topic is the zero article. The term zero article refers to on occasion, speech or writing where a noun or noun is not preceded by an article, an or the. The zero article is also known as zero determinant. Sentence. The king laughed at the court jester. The sun dipped below the horizon. Thank
My
you.
name is Anuj and my topic is ordinals. Ordinals numbers such as first, second, third are ordinals numbers. We use them to put things in an order. We most commonly use ordinals number as determiner. For example, he sits on last bench. You secured first position in the competition. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Asha Patel. My topic is number determinant. Number are ordinal and ordinal. Ordinal 1, 2, 3, etc. Ordinal first, second, third, etc. For example, Rahul is next exam good performance. Geeta was first position in badminton. Please give me one pizza. Sneha come first position of running. Oh Ritika, give me two cupcakes.
My name is Dinesh and my topic is demonstrative determinant. Demonstrative determinant refers to a person, place, article, thing, and determiner physical or psychological distance from the speaker. Example of demonstrative determiner that, those, these are the examples.
Myself, Sneha Bayani. Here's my topic is possessive determiner. A possessive determiner is a pronoun that is used to help the reader know who or what owns the noun that is determined.
determiner. Possessive determiner include pronouns. For example, my, I got my test results today. Your dad is doctor, right? Our friend has reached the hotel. His mother is teacher. Her, Noori made her parents proud. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Arushi Bhaskar. Today's my topic predeterminer. A predeterminer is a word that is used to put in front of other determiner in noun phrase. For example, twice, half, what, got, such, any, etc. The sentence of predeterminer: twice the money, half an orange, what a maze, what my ears, it is not any juice. Thank
Good
you.
morning everyone. My name is Anshu Gurjar and my topic is defining determiner. A word that modifies, describe or introduce a noun is called defining determiner. For example, whose pen is this? In this sentence, whose is the defining determiner. I have taken one more example. The farmer is plowing the farmland. In this sentence, the is the defining determiner. The, whose, this and etc. are defining determiner. Thank
Good
you.
morning everyone. My name is Divyanshu Amawat. My topic is interrogative determine. Determine tell you something. Determine tell you whether something in non or upper non. Example: that team has some bigger player. Sentence: which T-shirt are you going to wear? Thank you.
My name is Hitesh Chauhan. My topic is the synonyms. Synonyms is a word that has the same meaning, has another for nearly the same meaning. For example, beautiful and attractive are synonyms each of other because they refers to someone or something that looks good. Sentence: called chilly, funny, humorous, nice, pleasant. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Saeed Sadaf and my topic is finite verb. A finite verb is a verb that shows arrangement with the subject and can be used in present tense or past tense. For example, completes, excited, traveling, bored, etc. Sentence: she completes her work at the given time. She is very excited to go out for dinner tonight. Thank you all.
My name is Bhavik Binwal. My topic is action verb. Definition: a verb that shows what the subject of sentence is doing. Example: work, pocket, smile and etc. Sentence: we eat healthy food. Drink. What do you like?
Good morning all. My name is Vishnu Srivastava and my topic is transitive verb. Transitive verb require an object to receive the action. For example, she cut the cake, they climbed the mountain, he gave her a flower. Transitive verb: cut, climbed, gave. Transitive object: the cake, the mountain or a flower. Thank you.
Irregular verb. A irregular verb is anyone that doesn't follow the standard rule of making a verb past tense. Example: bite, beat, bitten, drink, drunk. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Julius Daima. My topic is a verb phrase. A verb phrase is a combination of an auxiliary verb, also known.
So I congratulate the entire class for a wonderful performance. I think you have mentioned that I would like to earlier.